Hi, I'm Teresa from Potomac Beads. Today we will make my stackable EVA bracelet with EVA beads and 6mm Potomac bicones. So let's gather the beads and start working on this simple and fun bracelet. Today we will work on a simple bracelet with EVA beads and Potomac crystal 6mm bicones. And we will finish this bracelet up with Potomac's Infinite Clasp with a matching check cabochon in 10mm size. And then we will need a little bit of seed beads. It's a 2-needle project, it's very simple and it builds up fast. So you can make a simple bracelet or you can go longer and make a wrap. I have only a single bracelet. And now I will make another version for you, which you can see better because it's blue and not just silver. We'll be working with a dragon thread. I have a wingspan long piece of thread, a little bit more than wingspan. And then I folded it, added 2 needles, and we can start. So on 1 needle, add 2 15-0s. One side of the clasp, 2 15-0s and 1 11-0, and slide everything towards the middle. So we have everything there, and then take the other needle. I'll put this away. Take the other needle and go through everything. And finish up again in the 11-0. So, and pull. So now you have a loop. Your both threads are coming out of the 11-0, and inside of the loop you have the clasp. Take the same needle and go through everything once more to strengthen the loop. And that's it. So now take the other needle as well. And on each needle add 4 15-0s. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the other one as well. Now take a first EVA bead, check the holes, and with the point towards the clasp, put it on your needles. You can have it like this, then add 1 15-0 on each needle again, another EVA facing in the same direction. You can slide it a bit down, 1 more 15-0 on each needle again, and finally third EVA. So now I have this plus the 4 15-0s. Now you can slide it down towards the beginning of your bracelet, towards the clasp. Pull. Make sure that the 15-0s are sitting nicely on top of the EVA. Adjust the tension a bit so everything is nice and straight. Put this down, take your needles again and grab a 6mm bicone, put it on 1 needle, and with the other one go through it from the other side. So this is like a little right angle weave part. So you are getting the bicone, so it's sitting in the EVA, in the little dent. So now it's sitting like this. So we went through the bicone like this with the needle. Now hold your needles again like this because it's the easiest way, for me at least, and put on and Eva. 1 15-0 on each needle. Second Eva. 1 15-0 on each needle. Third Eva. And now 4 15-0s on each needle. 3 4, 4 on one, and now 4 on the other one. 2 3 4. Now slide it down, position it nicely on top of the bicone, so sitting like this. Grab your needles and pick up 1 11-0, and like with the bicone, with the second needle, go through it in the opposite direction, so like this, and slide it down so it's sitting on top of the Eva. And like this, continue until you reach the length of the bracelet you need. So now you will put 4 15-0s on each needle, then Eva pointing towards the first half of the clasp, then 2 more Evas, and just like we did here. So on the first bracelet, so this was my first segment, and in total 1 2 3 4 5, I have 5 segments. Together with the clasp I have a 19 centimeter long bracelet, so it's like this. So I will make 4 more of these segments, and then I will show you how to add the other side of the clasp. So after you reach the length you need, so I have my 5 segments done, we need to add the other side of the clasp. So both of my threads are coming out of the 11-0 on top of the last Eva. So on one of the needles, pick 2 15-0s. Then the clasp, don't forget to add it in the correct side facing up. So the clasp, 2 more 15-0s. 1 2, and now it's easier to circle with the same thread through the 11-0 from the other side. Oops. So I'm holding both threads and pull. So like this. So the whole loop is, I went through the whole loop only once. So I grabbing the same needle and going through it one more time. So through everything, finishing in the 11-0 again. Pull again both threads so everything is nice and tight. And now take the other needle and go again through the loop as well, also with the other one. And back down to the 11-0, and that's it. Now make sure that nothing moved, adjust the tension. I can see that the Evas moved here a bit, not sure why, but I will play with it a bit. And after that I will go somewhere here, which is the best to tie off the thread, knot it off and cut it. and after that the bracelet is finished. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial for the stackable Eva bracelet. As I said, you can definitely go ahead and make it a wrap, or you can really stack it and wear two different ones. The Potomac's Infinite Clasp is a very nice touch, so if you need any of the materials, you can go below the video into the description box where you find the links if you need to purchase the materials. I'll be looking forward to seeing your finished pieces in our beading and jewelry making group on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one.